Well, hello there. Happy Tuesday. I hope you had a marvelous Monday and are ready for another fun day of learning. So, yesterday, because it was Monday, it was our literacy day. And today, because it's Tuesday, that means we're switching our gears and going to math. So, today, we're going to continue our lesson on counting and writing to 10. So, here we go. This set is asking us how many. Well, if something's asking us how many, what do we need to do? Count. So let's count the fish. A tool that I'm going to use is I'm going to write the number below the fish as I count them. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how many fish are there? There are 5 fish. There we go. There are 5 fish. Let's move on. Oh my goodness. I don't know about you, but this picture makes me want to go to the beach. I know I miss it with the beautiful weather we've been having, but I think it's still a little too chilly. But at least we have this picture, and I see lots of groups. Groups mean there are objects that are all together. I want to see if we can find objects of showing 6, 7, 8, 9, and maybe even 10. So let's start with the fish here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 here. I'm going to circle them with my black marker and write the number above. So here we have 7. Now let's look at these fish. How many are there? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 fish here. So let me draw a square around these fish. And how many were there? 9. And if we weren't sure if there were actually 9, we could always go back and count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's look at these yellow fish. How many are here? Let's count them all together. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, that's the biggest group we've found so far. There are 10 fish here. I've also noticed something, that 1, 2, and 3 fish have stripes, while the rest of the fish don't. How many fish don't have stripes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 fish don't have stripes. Let's count the seaweed. I see the seaweed right here. Let's count it. How many pieces of seaweed are floating around? We have 1. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8. Now I'm going to give you a challenge. We've counted all of these ones together. I want you to try and count how many bubbles there are. So you can pause this video and I want you to count and figure out how many bubbles are there. So pause the video, give it a count, and you can then tell your parent how many bubbles there are. And let's move on. Let's count these objects. What we need to do is we need to count the fish at the top, and we need to count the bubbles at the bottom. And then we're going to draw a line to match the ones that have the same number. So here we go. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 here. Let's move on to the next set of fish. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I see 10 fish here. Next, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 fish in this square. Now let's count the bubbles. Notice how I wrote the numbers above what I counted to remember them so I don't have to go back and count them all over again. That's a tool that you could use. Time for the bubbles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bubbles. So we have 7. Now for the next set of bubbles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bubbles are in this square? 8. Good job. Now for the last set of bubbles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 bubbles in this square. Now we need to take our marker and draw a line to the ones with the same amount, the ones that show an equal amount. So 7 and 7 is the same. Which one has 10? Can't be that one. It must be this one. And that means the 8 bubbles needs to match with these 8 fish. Here's another matching. So once again, we need to take this and count the bubbles. And then we'll count the fish at the bottom and see which ones show the same amount. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many bubbles are there? There are 7 bubbles. Now let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are only 6 fish here. Now let's count the blue fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fish here. That means that this one is a match for the bubbles. And this one is not. Great work today. And that is the end of our slideshow for today. So now it's your turn to practice with counting and writing to 10. You have an iReady practice page that you can complete to practice. If you have any questions at all while you're completing your practice page or while you're even watching Miss Hewes' lesson, you can have a parent email me, text me, or give me a phone call. I'm always here to help. All right, I wish you good luck with your iReady practice page, and I miss you very, very much. All right, have a terrific Tuesday. Bye-bye.